So, we will solving now problem to find the C. You can make the triangles A, C, A, and B. So the opposite of the triangle C is the small letter C, which is the hypotenuse. The opposite side the letter A is the A, which means we're going to find in the letter B is small letter B. So we're going to find A by using the Pythagorean theorem. The formula of the Pythagorean theorem is C squared equals to A squared plus B squared. So the C squared here is 105. 105 squared equals to, so we can find A squared plus 75 squared. So 105 squared will give us the value of 11,025 equals to A squared plus 75 squared. 75 squared will give us the value of 5,625. We're gonna move the A here. A squared equals to 11,025 minus 5,625. 11,025 minus 5,625 will give us the value of 5,400. So to cancel the square, we will make its square down. So dapat 5,400. Cancel it. The square of 5,400 it will give us 73.48. So our x here is 73.48. And that's all. 9, 12, 15 represent the side of a triangle. Just see where I said. Yes, if you can solve 9, 12, 15, you make a triangle to represent the length of the triangle. So this is going to make a right triangle to solve this problem. So now it represents the length of the triangle. So 15 here is the hypotenuse because 15 is the largest length. We're going to put it 15, 9, 12. And we can name this triangle ABC. Triangle C, A, and B. Or the opposite of the big letter C is the small letter C. And the opposite of the big letter B is the small letter B. And big letter A is small letter A. So to find this problem, we're gonna erase 15 to solve if it's true that represent the side the length of the triangle. So we're gonna make it C squared equals to A squared plus B squared. So we're gonna find C here. Although we know that C is 15, we prove that it's this 9 that represents the length of the triangle. So C here is we have 5 and A squared, we know A squared is 9 plus some squared. So C squared, 9 squared is equivalent to 81 plus the 12 squared is give us the value of 144. C squared 31 plus 144 225. So to cancel the square, we're gonna put also your square. The square root of 225 is c equals to 15. So the c here is 15. I will not solve anymore the other leg because we all know that this leg is represent the line of the triangle. If there is a closer in the line, they would not solve the value 15.